Hello Capricorn, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October 2020. Let me quickly remind you, these are general energies. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And before I start the weekly predictions, I'd like to give you a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for a few seconds and release it very slowly. Once the session is over, please open your eyes very slowly and align your energies. So please close your eyes right now. Okay, Capricorn, now please open your eyes slowly. And let's look at your weekly predictions. So, Eight of Swords and Beyond Illusion. So, Eight of Swords here indicates that you could be finding yourself in a very negative mindset. You might be feeling that your options are really limited. You don't have everything that you wanted. You wasted your life over something. And to go on and, on. But that is not the case. You think you might also feel that you were very harshly judged in a love life situation or a work life situation, but there's actually nothing as such. It's all in your mind because it's a sword card. It's literally in your mind, and you have the ability to get out of it. You have a lot of options near you. You don't have to feel that you have limited options around you. There is a lot of help around you. You just need to look up, look out, and you will get whatever help you want, Capricorn. Looking at your love life, you've got the Death and the Abundance card. So Death here indicates that there is a transformation coming into your love life. You can actually see what this transformation is. Maybe you could be ending a relationship because the other person is not able to provide for. What is this Death card here? Capricorns. What is the Death card here for my Capricorns? Also, if you've been looking for someone who is wealthy enough to provide for you, you are asked to transform your energies and look in that direction. Seven of Swords, Five of Swords, Two of Swords. Okay. So, Capricorn, what I feel here is that there is a third party interference here. Someone is only thinking about themselves. They are probably sneaking behind someone's back. This could be you, this could be your partner. Energies are fluid and roles can be reversed. Please take however it resonates. Also, there has been like a conflict. Maybe someone is really proud about their money. They are really, showing the other person down in terms of, you are only in this relationship to be provided for, so just keep quiet, let me do whatever you want, whatever I want. And this looks like a battle more over, head over heart, head versus heart. And even though I think you want to stay, they want to stay in the relationship, you are in two minds. You are seeing the start of the end towards of this relationship, and you are just running away from a painful decision making that you have to do. But I think you will be doing something this week. You are a little disheartened. Overall, your reading looks very disheartened, and there is some sort of an emotional pain that is coming all over your reading, and I think the relationship is moving ahead with everything. It could also mean that you could be moving away from your lover because of money, for anything that is materialistic. One possibility could be that. Looking at your work front, we've got 5 of Cups and the completion. Again, I think that there is a possibility of you moving away from a particular situation because of a faraway opportunity. This could be something. This could be either this one, or this could be that you have applied for a position in a foreign company, something where you are not currently, and that has been rejected, and you feel very, very sad about it. But most of it looks to me like you moving away from where you currently are, and leaving everything behind, and you are just moving forward with it. Looking at your health situation here, I've got 10 of Swords and King of Swords. So definitely something to do with your kidneys. Could be detected with diabetes. You could also have back problems. You could have issues with your chronic fatigue or burnout, or something to do with support. Your support organs may be out of sync. The overall energy of these cards indicate that you are feeling at a complete rock bottom emotionally, and this could be affecting your entire physical system, your entire body. Looking at the cards as advices that we have for you, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the efforts you're guided towards. This could be great love towards yourself. I think self-love is the greatest form of love, and if you think that you're being abused in a relationship, it's better to move out of it. Coyote, wise fool, accept your follies and find the teaching in them. So whatever you've learned from bitter experiences, you need to take it with a pinch of salt, and you need to take it as a learning experience and move ahead with it. Peaceful resolution. If there has been a situation that you've been thinking about, what will happen about it, what will I do, how will it function, what is going to happen, angel answers tells you that there will be a peaceful resolution for this. Looking at your crystals for the week, you've got rose quartz and you've got green malachite. Both these crystals will help you work on your heart chakra. They are going to really help you align your energies with the present, and it's going to provide you the much needed assurance and the much needed self-love that you require, Capricorn. So this is just for this week. Next week will bring better energies, and I definitely look forward to better energies for Capricorn. But until then, you need to stay strong, stay safe, and please write to me if this reading resonates with you. Only through your comments I come to know how much the reading resonates with you. So please write to me, and until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.